Kuleana sunflower oil to me brings a really fresh nuttiness to the table. You know, with the process of using it not cooked, it really shines well. So we like to finish a lot of plates here with our Kuleana sunflower oil. Just like I said, it brings a little bit of nuttiness, brings a little brightness to that dish. A few favorite ways of mine to use oil in the kitchen, especially with our sunflower oil, is versatility. So we talked about confit a little bit earlier with the fish. We talked about using it as a finishing oil. We've talked about a high heat smoke point. It's just very versatile. And really with this oil, you can do anything with it. It's about doing the right thing, you know, and a big part of doing the right thing is investing back into the community. You know, we want to invest back into the community because the community is the reason why we're here. And if we can invest back into it and continue to do the right thing, it helps us all grow. I try not to think too much about cost. Again, it circles back to doing the right thing. This is where we live. This is our community. It's a different process when you know the guy growing your corn. It's a different process when you know the fisherman and he calls you on a Tuesday afternoon, you know, maybe to go out and have a couple beers one day and then the next day to go out fishing and catch your own tuna. It's just different. It's the right thing to do. Again, this is a community. This is a small island. There's so many opportunities to do the right thing and be part of it that it would be silly not to.